welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Gianna. I make lifestyle videos, fashion videos, styling videos, all those things. I'm so glad you're here. We are currently doing 12 days of Vlogmas here on my channel. I think this is going to be day 8. I believe this is day 8 of Vlogmas, so welcome. So if you are keeping up with my channel, you know that I do 12 days of Vlogmas as opposed to the whole month of Vlogmas. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, but pretty much I just vlog 12 days throughout December in the lovely season of Vlogmas instead of every day. I am currently at home on Long Island, which is why my background looks different. And I am wrapping gifts, which is like one of my least favorite things to do. So that is what I'm doing right now. Also, I look like a ghost. Hi. I hate vlogging while I'm home because it is just so uncomfortable for everybody around me. So my brother just left and it's just me and Moo here, which is why I'm starting the vlog off. But I'm not hopeful for the rest of this Vlogmas. Because I got so sick, I wasn't able to pre-film. And that led me to having a lot of anxiety because I knew I'd have to film here. And I'm just like, ugh. So yeah, welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. If this is your first video that you're seeing of mine, go watch the rest of my Vlogmases. And yeah, let's just get into it. I'm not proud of this job that I'm doing right now. Honest with you guys, like I have not been in the biggest vlogging mood. Definitely has to do with me being here and just being like so out of my routine and just I don't even know. I love being home, but as you get older you kind of really like being like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like it's so nice being home, but you also really love when you're in your own own place and like doing your own thing in your own routine. Like I really do well when I'm on my routine, and I just feel like I'm not in it right now. Like I am so out of my routine. Oh, I hate it, and I feel like it really puts me in like a weird mood. I have wrapped all my gifts. Minus one. I need to do one more thing, but I need to get that last thing. Meaning I need to make it on my computer. So I got my parents a wine tasting here on Long Island, which I think is gonna be really fun. When Paul gets here, we're actually going Wednesday. So Paul's gonna get here Monday and he's gonna drive back to Charlotte with me, but Wednesday we're going for a wine tasting and I'm really excited. So I want to print out like a voucher looking thing and put that like, you know, together nicely for my parents. That's really for my dad, but obviously I'm gonna give it to my mom too. So that'll be super fun. Well, all my stuff is wrapped. The only issue here is that this backpack and this sweatsuit is so big that I put my mom's gifts in this. Sorry, my camera died, but the issue is that I put it in this big bag and like literally it looks like this woman's getting, I don't even know, the craziest gift ever, but it's just because I have 2 gifts in here. Alright, I just finished this thing for my dad. I use the Canva like thing because it just seemed the easiest. Normally I would make my own, but I'm a little pressed for time, okay? So I'll show you guys. So this is where we're going. It just says holiday wine and dine. I added these 2 like cute things. This is not my best work, I will say. So I just did that. I'm gonna print this out and probably put it in like a little envelope or something. And then I think I'm gonna do a quick workout. I've been doing a bar on the Peloton app and I'm really enjoying it, and I've been super sore, and I like that portion of the situation. I don't like working out, but I like being like sore because it makes me feel like I'm really doing something. So I think that's next on the agenda. I wanted to show you guys how I was doing my dad's gift. Changed the entire thing. I just decided that the other one was way too ugly. Like I couldn't do that. So I made my own and I printed it out. I put it on a like really large index card so it had like some substance. And then I'm just gonna wrap it in some tissue paper. And then just to keep on trend, I'm just gonna shove it in a wine thing. Okay, so I just put it in there. I'll fluff up the tissue paper and it's just like a little gift. How cute. So that's that. And now everybody's done. I finished all my gifts because I am getting a little hungry. It's 2:17. I feel like the days here go by so slow. I woke up this morning, went to a gyno appointment, and then I got Dunkin'. That's where I kind of started the vlog. And I just feel like the days drag on here.